Hi there, today we're going to take a look at how to do cleaning cycles on a HP OfficeJet Pro 8728. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using the attached control panel you can see on the front here. So first of all we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already on the screen, the home icon will be visible just up there. Press that to be taken here. And from this main screen we're going to drag down on the top and then go into settings, which is represented by a little cog on the top left hand side. And once we're in setup, we're going to scroll until we see the option printer maintenance. Press to go into that, and then we have clean printhead as the top option. Now printhead cleaning basically forces ink through the printer's printhead to dislodge any dried or congealed ink that could be affecting your print quality. It will use up a little bit of ink, and as described on this first page here, it's going to use a couple sheets of paper as well. So we're presumably going to be getting a print quality test page when we're done. So we press OK and give it just a couple minutes. And with the clean completed, you'll be presented with an example test page, which hopefully looks better than this. We should have letters and text running down the page and a couple blocks of colour. But sadly we have quite a severe issue with our customer's printer. If however you're in a similar situation to I am here, thankfully the printer loops us back to have the option to clean again if we're unsatisfied with the quality of the print, which I'm obviously going to need to do. And we can carry on in this way, performing cleans and checking out those test pages until we have a quality of print we're happy with. After a second clean, as you can see, I've got a noticeable improvement. So I'm going to carry on in this way, cleaning and running those test pages until I have a quality of print our customer can be happy with. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, take care and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.